With Sellercloud, all of your RMAs are automatically synced into the system. To check on your RMAs, simply go to the RMAs section under the Orders tab. Choose the channel you want to look up, and click on the RMA ID number. You will be directed to a detailed page where you can see the status of your RMA. You can also check for open returns that are not received. Choose a specific date range and filter for the status of your RMA. To save the search with all your open RMAs, you simply click on Save View. For an even more detailed look into your returns, you can go to the Reports tab. Under the Returns Details section, you can export a full report for a single channel or for all of your channels for a given period. You can compare the quantity ordered to the quantity returned, as well as go over the reasons for the return.